Hello children, today I am going to explain passage number 3 from comprehension. Comprehension is based on understanding. Here passage is given. You have to understand the meaning and the theme of the passage. Then you have to give the answer of the question which are based on the given passage. So here firstly I will explain the passage, then after we will solve the questions. Let's see the passage. Read this passage about one of the greatest bird sanctuaries in India and answer the questions. Let's see children. Keoladeo National Park, formerly known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. So the earlier name of Keoladeo Park is Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Is considered to be one of the world's most important bird breeding and feeding ground. It is very popular and important for the bird breeding. Breeding means producing the birds, and feeding grounds mean the foods is available here in rich quantity. Means it is a best place for living the birds and for the developments of the birds. It originated as a royal hunting reserve during the 1850s and was a game reserve for the Maharajas of Bharatpur and the British. Children, in the earlier time, during the 1850s, it was secured for the royal people, means kings and Britishers of Bharatpur. They used to hunt birds here because it is a rich land of the birds. It is a best place for the production of the birds. So here are so many birds and it is the best place for hunting the birds. So it is secured for royal people. They use this place for hunting the birds. It is said that the Lord Linlithgow, Viceroy of India from 1936 to 1943, shot over thousands of ducks with his hunting party in a single day. Children, it is very famous thing that the Viceroy means the representative of the king, below to the king in reputation. So Linlithgow is the Viceroy during 1936 and 1943, and during this period he shot thousands of birds. He hunted thousands of ducks with his friends just in a single day. Children, you imagine it's a big number and how difficult it is to hunt this large number in a same day. In 1982, Keoladeo was established. So earlier name of Keoladeo Park is Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. It is a best place for the birds, but later in 1982 it became as a national park and the name is given Keoladeo National Park, and later listed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1985. And in 1985, UNESCO declared it as a World Heritage Site. Let's see the children. Next para. This park is home to about 365 species of birds and over 80 species of animals such as the basking python, painted storks, deer, nilgai and more. Children, it is a very famous place for 80 different species like basking python, stork, deer, nilgai, and many more. And it is also the best place having the 365 species of the bird. The famous Indian ornithologist and naturalist Salim Ali used his influence to garner government support to create Keoladev National Park. So children, it is the contribution of naturalist and ornithologist. Ornithologist means the person who studies about birds is called the ornithologist. So Abu Salim Ali influence means his effect, his power. He used his power to take the support of government to create Keoladev National Park. So it means it is the work of Salim Ali. It is also known as the breeding ground for Siberian crane, which is a rare sight. And children, it is also the best place for the production of Siberian crane. And the sight of Siberian crane is not common. It is rare. Rare means uncommon.